Yepa yepa, how are you? Welcome to another video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to show you how to create the craft for the Christmas rhythm game and play with it. If you haven't seen the video yet, you have the link in the description box. I hope you like it and enjoy it. Are you ready? Let's go! If you are not subscribed yet, click on the button to help me increase the channel. Thanks! And remember, if you like this video, share, like, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more content.